Shop price. Yes, sir. Sure.
Come to the jam if you love me. Walk up your waist if you're sexy. Sit on my face, give me a taste. Don't text my phone if you ugly. Best friend banter, check me. First color reach, I gon' hold she. Young gal, tall like gal. Backseat D, gal, come and check me. If she was a body, I would've walked she too.
So yeah, guys, we taking a stroll through the mall today. Is me, TJ, Jom, and Jiggy.
Jiggy and the gay squad, general.
So wait, whoa.
Jiggy and the gay squad.
No. He needs Jesus. Yeah, he needs Jesus back. Bad, because he ain't no way he just said that in the video. Jiggy need help. Oh, I got that home. I got those home.
What, we asked?
Yeah, I have those home.
We asked them.
Oh, you
We
shit.
didn't ask them. You got my nipple?
No, I'll try attach a thing to you.
I think they come tomorrow based on New Dunk.
That means pandas, right?
You know, I don't care for that.
Hey, nigga, you have seen to before.
Jeremy, since when you had Sperry's? Huh? Since when you had Sperry's?
From so long, from since school.
Yeah, me know they're fresh though. I get mine done too.
I don't like Sperry's.
Yeah, dance if you gay, bro.
Yeah, we owe.
Nah, man.
Right,
Shop price. Yeah, man. So guys, listen, guys. Put them guys. Like, share, and subscribe.
My friend, how you doing?
Yes, I. So yeah, so today we in Ashford looking for like some quick gas. Wait, hold on. Yeah, we look for some quick gas.
That's what I was saying, guys. So, we are looking at clothes. You want to say hi to the vlog?
So yeah, so we ain't apparently seeing what it is we want, but
I am though.
you are? What you?
I am though.
What
I am.
are you looking for?
Them thing up there.
Them hoodies is $60. $60 basically.
If I want to like me, you know, shout out to Posh Boutique. Posh Boutique. If I want a drip, tap in Posh Boutique. Hellsat Demantier, Mary, Posh Boutique, you know, and Jumps too.
Do not shop in Ashford.
You heard it best.
So yeah, we are going to say let's move along to see what get going on here. You see for? Yeah, man. See what going on here. Yeah, I cannot think here. I ain't gonna tell you. Yeah, I can't think here. Yeah.
Okay. Right now we here with, you know, Jiggy, Bobby, you know. We're with Germs, Keto, no, Big Wave actually. But the fact is, he can't like boys, you know?
Hey, yo.
Okay? Can't like boys. But look, I still make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hot and ready. We don't hit you back, right? We don't hit our back. When we get next door.
Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, what?
The man, this man's advice transgender dinosaur strobe like that. The man said she was a fairy. His big ass. Yeah, I gotta get some for my hands.
I need to buy one. Friday's tomorrow.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
We not better in the store, like. We are broke, We are broke.
Okay, no, you broke. I ain't broke.
You can check and see. And even Wednesday. Say cool.
And even Monday.
That's shop. I need to get it.
Hey, that the man do it right, but be up the road. Hold up.
Oh shit. We bought the
Walk in champs.
Are we getting champs? Okay, hold it. Want me to have this?
Alright. We're going champs, you know. We're going champs. Look at all the shoes. Big up my dog, you know. My dog.
TJ. I'm taller than you.
Hold up. Ha.
Dog, you are nasty, bro.
Yeah, son. So what look at clothes like? I mean, these man get no money there.
No, I have money. I have $5, guys. 5.
You see, the reason I don't have money,
Things go fit me.
is that don't be another bacon for you.
Actually, what happened to the last girl?
You are messy, dude. You messy. Literally, dog.
Big up my dog, Mike.
Some Air Ones, right?
Nah, man, you better let that man. $70.
Look at this, some Air Ones, right? With this hair, a black and a Jimal and a fitted jeans. Oh my God, my chin. Oh, talking about.
Mind you, the man talking right. The man got still in his shirt, you know.
You got some of my shot for me?
Come.
Wait, take jumps?
C-U-M.
What the fuck? What do you mean? How?
Okay, he like boys.
She said, come, semen. Not a butter.
You know, my dog, right?
I guess.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, but this is Malik guy. This is the guy who get the sex.
He man like boys, like, you know what? My next dog, yeah, like, my next dog. Oh, babe, back to what I was saying. So how you feel, right? So how you feel about John liking boys?
How you feel about that? Jeremy does not like boys. I don't like boys.
We would never know.
Allah, you taller than me. But you ain't telling me to get us one way. Take my head. Listen, we fighting on second. Hey,
She like boys. Let's leave man.
I like you.
See that? You see that? What I tell you? But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you know. Don't forget chat. Say Tamo, you like boys now, right?
Watch. Let me eat. Let me cook. Watch.
Come.
Come. Let me cook so y'all can eat. Watch this thing.
I am hungry, but
Watch it. No. Get these pants.
bro,
You check.
where them pants coming from? You don't pants, right?
Listen, man.
Okay, go ahead, keep going, cooking. You cooking?
Put his hair. You know why? Because look. I like spread money. Check. I like spread money. You're like check it.
I see what you're going with it. Keep going,
You see when you look.
Keep going, bro. I tried to stand
You
time.
see in GTA 5, right? You check just a spread money. Okay, the blue pants are like red shoes or white shoes. So put his hair.
John.
Look.
This man.
Look that.
He
You
had
like
pants
boys?
inside
No,
the shirt.
stop that, bro.
I can get the pants inside the shirt.
It matching, right? Don't mind the black. The black won't fade away eventually. So come.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
put
So
it back.
look.
What shirt
Look,
you wear with that?
Red shoe.
With a white sock.
White socks with the blue pants.
Blue pants.
Uh-huh.
You need to take the pants and walk with it, right? So you can keep your image right.
Watch this. Come.
This man's out of control. Oh, car police. Car fucking police. What you say? Yo, style, you trying just like a cantaloupe.
Are you trying to dress me?
The man say for sound. Come.
But look. I don't realize though. No, he doesn't.
Yeah, the man.
You see the man say the pants and the shoes.
That's the pants and shoes.
Okay. But look, 2 out of 3. The shoes, the pants, and the shirt. If 2 out of 3,
That's not.
I mean, that again, that's still failing. But I mean,
Exactly.
that's still like, it's not a zero.
How about face? How about face?
Yeah, frequency. Hey, he's a Nancy's basement.
We say look why you walking too. Why?
Yeah, but we have vlogging and driving.
Listen, look, I got a question. Right? Black, red, white,
Black,
yellow,
and red.
dark blue. Is that a good combination?
Depends on the context of the color.
Okay, so you got red shoe, red and white shoe, red black and white shoe. I'm sorry, afternoon. No. Immigration.
Car customs. For the bus.
Yup, dude. Yo. Dog.
Anyways,
This fucking a consortium.
you shouldn't bear away for some fuck.
What? Okay, we got it. But yeah, for those tuning in, man, like, share, and subscribe. For those tuning in, man, like, share, and subscribe.
Daddy?
Yeah, I'm yo.